We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up DDS stock. We are in the monthly time frame, price action, all the way to the right hand side is a bullish green candle coming from an area of support, with the second last candle being a doji. So we have price action, overall higher highs, price action, overall lower lows, midpoint in the middle, adding second level highs, so let's zoom in the price and see what's going on. So near price action, last candle to the right hand side is a bullish green candle coming from the second last candle, which is a doji. But before we see what's going on in this area, let's take a look at the overall. So we can see that market broke and it came back to retest with this area. So this area would be the first leg, second leg. Market broke back through for the third leg and then finally broke out for the fourth leg. So we did receive that double bottom formation. Okay, we didn't see price come back to return to that area just yet. So we had that full double bottom. So we're going to see if price is going to not break this area and come back to at least the midpoint to work his way up further for that double bottom and a retest, or near price action with that resistance that we just created. Market can be identifying the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. Price action came back to retest that area, and then if market doesn't break out, market's coming from a double top and a retest, or three pushes to that top, which will be a triple top. Or that market can consolidate within that area below the price action overall higher highs. So we do have a long candle to the top here. So we're going to grab that top of that wick and we're going to grab the bottom of that candle. So we can see that price action is near the midpoint of that overall highest highs, and the market breaks that higher highs that we created. It'll go up to the area of resistance, or it'll be at the area of that candle, which is the support where it came from. So price can consolidate below the price action black SR line or above in that area to the top side or bottom side of overall. So we definitely looking for a pattern to form itself in this area for that the market to break up to the upside or downside. Walking down to the weekly time frame. Okay, price action on the weekly time frame is a bullish green candle. It did break up through that support. We don't see a retest yet in this area on the weekly time frame. So market price action at the bottom here did form a pattern. So let's see what's happened. So pushing down in red, we do have that first leg, green, second leg, third, red, it's a third leg, and the market pushed up for that fourth. Third to last candle can identify as a retest, and then that market pushed up once. So we did receive that break of that SR line. So we're going to see if the market shows that is identified as a retest of that area for that market to push up. If it doesn't, then we can look for a market to break this SR line, come back to retest, and then work its way up further. Or if that market does drop, market's coming from this area here, which will be identified as the first leg, second leg, third leg, fourth leg. So we do have that M pattern. Price came all the way back to retest. So if price is rejected from this area, market's coming down as same as before, as we identify in a monthly time frame, that double top and a retest and market's coming down, overall triple top. Or that market can consolidate at that area below the black SR line. On the daily time frame, we have price action as a bullish green doji with a long wick down to the bottom, could be an area of support. So what we're looking for in this area is price to engulf this price action candle to the upside, and hopefully it breaks the SR line to work its way up further for a break and retest, or we may identify the rejection and market coming down with a bearish red candle that can engulf the price action doji and work its way back down. On the 4-hour time frame, price action is a bullish green doji, very small candle, mainly just wicks. So we can see that price action is within the second to last candle. So we're still looking for that engulfment. Second to last candle, like it tagged that area of support, but overall the market's consolidating. Why? Because we have price action lined up with the second to last candle, and also is identifying that the second to last candle pushed up for that first push and price action pushed up for the second push. On a 3-hour time frame, we have price action as a bearish red doji, very small candle. Second to last candle is a bullish green doji, and then third to last candle is a bearish red doji. So what this is identifying is that the third to last candle broke, came back to retest, second last candle pushed up, and then price action worked its way sideways. So overall, it's still identifying consolidation. Why? Price action, second last candle, and third last candle are all within each other. So market's working its way sideways for that consolidation. Also is identifying that the third last candle spiked up once, second last candle spiked up twice. Price action stood up top for the third time. So it's identifying a triple top of that area. So market's identifying that it's having a hard time to break. On a 2-hour time frame, we have the same thing. It's just that market price action second last candle has just extended itself and just worked its way sideways. We did receive an extra doji on the 2-hour time frame. On a 1-hour time frame, now we're starting to receive some patterns in the market, so let's identify what's going on. We do have a gap in the market here, so I'll paint the picture for you guys. Price action on the 1-hour time frame is a bullish green candle. So what's happening is that we have that first, second, third, fourth retest one, and markets look like we're looking for a retest. Don't know how far it's going to go down. It can go down as up to that midpoint, that area, retest and work its way up. And if it doesn't, market's coming from that overall first, second, third, and push down for that double top. On the 45-minute is identifying the same thing. On the 30-minute, still identifying the same thing. On the 15-minute, now we have price actions, a bearish red candle that's engulfing the second, third, fourth, and fifth to last candle of the market. So if it closes out here, it can push down up to maybe this midpoint or identify a pattern that's going to work its way back up. So what we can see is overall first, second, third engulfment, price could be coming down from that double top. On a 5-minute time frame, we're in the same thing as well. But we're looking for price to break this area here if it's going to break down. If not, it can create some support on a 3-minute time frame and work its way back up. We can see that double top forming, first, second, third, fourth, retest, and market push once. Still hasn't broke the previous side yet to work its way down further. Could be some support, just like how we see in a 5-minute time frame to work its way up. And on a 1-minute time frame, it's identifying the same thing. Price action, bearish red candle engulfing the previous candle, can work its way down further. We have a major wick to this area here, showing that the market was going to push down from this area here, just as we see here, and just as we see in these areas here. Okay, guys, this is Cam Jones, FX DDS.